Atom. Atom, smallest unit into which matter can be divided. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. Every atom is composed of a nucleus and one or more electrons bound to the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of one or more protons and a number of neutrons. Credit for the discovery of electron goes to J.J. Thomson, for proton it goes to E. Goldstein, and for neutron goes to J. Niels Bohr was born in Copenhagen on October 7, 1885. He was appointed professor of physics at Copenhagen University in 1916. He got the Nobel Prize for his work on the structure of atom in 1922. He proposed that electrons are distributed in different shells with discrete energy around the nucleus. If the atomic cells are complete, then the atom will be stable and less reactive. Electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons have no charge. Only the most common variety of hydrogen has no neutrons. All the atoms are roughly the same size, whether they have 3 or 90 electrons. Approximately 50 million atoms of solid lined up in a row would measure 1 centimeter, that is 0.4 inch. Most of the atom is empty space. The rest consists of positively charged nucleus of protons and neutrons surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. Electrons, like other particles, have properties of both a particle and a wave. The electron has other intrinsic properties. One of those is spin. An electron doesn't orbit the nucleus of an atom in the way a planet orbits a star or a satellite orbits the Earth, but it's a close enough approximation for our purpose. In reality, it's more like layers of clouds wrapped around the nucleus, with the electrons being somewhere in the layers of the cloud. In some respects, the electrons in an atom behave like particles orbiting the nucleus. In others, the electrons behave like waves frozen in the position around the nucleus. How are electrons distributed in different orbits or shells? Large number of orbitals are possible in an atom. These orbits or shells are called energy levels. Only certain special orbits, known as discrete orbits of electrons, are allowed inside the atom. While revolving in the discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8. Electrons are not accommodated in given shell unless the inner shells are filled. That is, the shells are filled in a stepwise manner. Important points. Atomic number. Total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic mass. The mass of an atom is equal to the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Nucleons. Protons and neutrons together are also called nucleons. Octet. An outermost shell of an atom, which has 8 electrons, is said to possess an octet. Valence electrons. Electrons in an atom are arranged in different shells or orbits. The electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom are known as valence electrons. Valency, the combining capacity of the atoms of an element, that is, their tendency to react and form molecules with the atoms of same or different elements, as an attempt to attain a fully filled outermost shell, is called valency. Atoms would thus react so as to achieve an octet in the outermost shell. This includes sharing, gaining, or losing electrons. The number of electrons gained, lost, or shared so as to make the octet of electrons in the outermost shell gives us directly the combining capacity of the element, that is, the valency.